morning, everyone. It is Thursday, December 16th. We just got into the studio, had a great yoga session. Actually, a substitute who, her style's totally different. Started off with some breathing exercises, then it ramps up to some like super hardcore strength conditioning, and then she ramps it right down, super relaxing at the end. If you've never done yoga or you've kind of thought it was some thing for hippies or whatever, it's one of the best workouts you could possibly do, in my opinion. Anyways, this morning we got Ableton open over there. We got our assignment up. We need to finish the composition checkpoint final for level 5. That's our only mission today, and there's a lot of steps to it. We're basically incorporating every piece of composition, melody, and chord writing that we've learned throughout the entire course. Today as well, we're supposed to have our mentor session, one of the last ones, and I'm looking forward to that. This is the back half of the final unit of level 5. We gotta get this assignment in before noon, so let's get to work. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, December 17th. Happy Friday, everybody. One more week until Christmas Eve, and look, she's on. Ooh, Having some fun with my new Ableton controller this morning. But more importantly, guess what? We are done level 5. I am so happy that we're done. Wow. Level 5, probably the hardest level so far with all the songwriting classes. And I've decided that for our Friday vlog segment, we'll be going over all of the assignments and all the marks that we got for this quarter. I'm feeling pretty good today. Probably gonna be a bit of an earlier studio day, but you know what? I freaking deserve it, and I wanna go relax. We're still gonna close out the vlog properly tomorrow, sound design all day, but yeah, we did it. Amazing. Level 6, the final quarter at Icon Collective, coming up in 2 weeks. Don't worry though, I got a few videos planned for the 2-week break that I'm going to be on. But you know what? We're going to keep messing around with our new toy here. Let's get to work. Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Friday Fireside Chat. Let's wind down from the week by taking a nice deep breath. In, hold, and out. That's better. All right, we are finally at the end of level 5. I'm super proud of the work that I've done this quarter at Icon. Songwriting is something that I never thought I would get into. Something that I never thought I had the ability to do. Now, I definitely need to practice my singing. I need to find my voice, find the right tone for me, and just practice. Today, what I want to do is go over all the assignments and all of my marks for this quarter. I'll be able to show you a very detailed breakdown of just how Icon does the marking system and exactly what I got, what my average is, and how well I did on each subject. Here we are in Icon's online portal matrix system. We are in level 5, taking a look at the assignments. So let's go through this a bit, scroll through quickly. I'm not gonna say every single one, you can read it yourself, but we did really well. You know, songwriting, this is our first songwriting assignment here. 70%. Everything else we are doing really well on. You have to keep in mind, a lot of these assignments for online students are reviews or playing assignments. So a lot of these are repeatable exercises which you can do until you get 100%. Some of these keys playing assignments this quarter though, quite hard, and I didn't complete them all. Look at this. The song Creep, 99%. Just couldn't get that extra 1%. Poetry writing, 70%. So songwriting was definitely a challenge, as I've been saying. But if we look down here to the right, we have an overall average of 94%, which is an A-. Really, really good. Let's take a look at the analytics. It's hard to see, but there's little bars here. Usually they're blue, but for some reason they're not showing up well. But if you come over to the left here, you can see my grade for every class, every category: an A in music business, an A in keyboard techniques, an A in ear training, a B in songwriting, and an A in Art of Flow. Now obviously I have quite a bit of producing experience prior to coming to Icon. Icon essentially is filling in all the cracks of my foundation that I didn't learn being self-taught. They say going to a school like Icon versus being self-taught speeds up your skill level by about 5 years. Well, how about that? A little bit lower of a mark overall than I have been getting, but honestly, we're in the high 90s. We are absolutely killing it. I'm not even quite sure what's in store for level 6, but I'm so freaking excited. We got a new mentor coming in, lots of new skills to learn from them, and I'm just so freaking excited. I can't believe it. We've been vlogging this whole time. We've been doing really well. I'm just grateful. I'm proud of myself. What else can I say? That is it for the Friday Fireside Chat today. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, December 18th. A week till Christmas, and I am so dang excited. I need some help here. Let me just show you this real quick. I got this light, and it sucks. I'm wondering if any of you, hold on, have any suggestions for a light that can attach to the side of a camera mount. Anyways, today I am doing an epic sound design challenge to finish out the quarter. I recently downloaded a preset pack by Mark Sixma, who released it with Armada. And what I want to do as a challenge is recreate every single preset to the best of my abilities within Dune 3. There's no better way, in my opinion, to practice sound design than doing it this way. Subtractive synthesis, generally across the board, it's the same principles, but when you're doing it in another program that doesn't offer some of the same features, it becomes quite a challenge. So what I'm going to do for this is I'll listen to the original sound a couple times, and then I'll mute it and I'll just start recreating it in Dune. This time I'd like to get it somewhat close, but honestly, if inspiration strikes and I head a different direction with the preset, then so be it. This is all about experimenting, having fun, and getting my practice in. All right, let's get sound designing. Good afternoon and welcome back to Sound Design Saturday. My goal today was to basically create an entire preset pack inspired by the new Mark Sixma Serum pack. A lot of super inspiring sounds in there, but honestly, quite a few sounds that I personally just would never use. So what I did is I took those sounds, I made them my own. This is all just for practice. I would never release these presets as my own. The challenge is the recreation within a different synth. There's a lot of things that don't translate well between synths, and you gotta make do, you gotta figure it out. All right, enough out of me. Let's get to the sounds. Meet me over by the computer. All right, here we are in Ableton. Dune 3, of course. Elated presets, Ultimate Big Room, and Trance. We've got 17 presets to go through. We're gonna do this fast and furious. Let's check it out. Little dead mouse action at the end there. I'm really liking these presets. What a fun way to sound design. Whether you're inspired by a certain sound or an artist who released a track or their own preset pack, this is a great way to practice your synthesis. Well, this is it. This is the end of level 5, the last Sound Design Saturday of the quarter. We will see you in 2 weeks for the final semester at Icon Collective.